because I'd like to dedicate this song to all of you wonderful people, especially to her. Pacha. Right? I am so proud of you, Guy, and of all the laureates here tonight. You have lots of fans in the audience. And I'd like to sing this song, which is a French song, but from the bottom of my heart, this is for you, Guy, and for all you wonderful people. Maestro?
Ibigin mo ako ng bago ang mundo. Ito'y ng kulay rosas. Sa init ng iyong halik, yakap mo mahimbing. Mundo'y ng kulay rosas. Puso ko'y umaawit, pag-ibig ang himig sa tuwing naririnig. Ibang tinig mo, katulad sa anghel na may tigyas ng tunay.